Hello, welcome on our downward dog yoga challenge to support Pawsitivity campaign. Okay, today day 25 of our challenge, so we all hope you are still with us. Don't worry, you don't have to do whole session, you can just do few repetitions, do as much as you actually can. Okay, so we're hoping you're getting stronger, more flexible, more confident with doing yoga, and you're having good fun as we are. So let's get started right now, our day 25. Let's start with your feet, hips width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, bring to your side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Reaching high, nice stretch for your upper body, arms, your spine, and relax your shoulders. One more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now, right arm. Keep your hips the same position, nice and stable, so you're not pulling, you're not rocking to your right as you're bending to your left. Engage your abs, squeeze your glutes, so you're making movement, just your upper body. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now your left, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale. And now your shoulders. Let's roll your shoulders back to slowly warm these muscles and joints. Mobilize your shoulder joints. Just few times. Good breaths always. Think about your breathing. Inhale, slowly exhale. Now try forward. You're going to feel nice stretch in your upper back right now. And now arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend your knees, fold forward. Place your hands on the floor and bring your knees down. When you inhale, rock your body to the front, and exhale, move back. Inhale and exhale. Slowly preparing your wrist joints and your upper body for some down dog positions today. Inhale. And exhale, maybe one more. And now tuck those under. And when you exhale, lift your hips to move into a down dog position. Inhale, bring your knees down. And slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. And let's rest in child pose. Could be forearms, or you can reach forward to increase the stretch in your upper body. You can feel the stretch in your lower back, glutes, and your hips as well as your chest, shoulders, and your arms. Good breaths. Deep breath in and slowly out. And now forearms on the floor, feet knees together. You got left leg straight, and you inhale, lift, exhale, straight leg down. Just avoid moving your hips. Keep your abdominal muscles nice and strong to move on your left leg. Inhale and exhale, bringing strength in your core, lower back. Inhale and exhale. Check if you're dropping your head down, pulling to the floor, actually doing opposite. You're pressing shoulders, elbows to the floor to keep your chest and your head high over the floor. Maybe 2 more on your left leg. Inhale and exhale. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Now the same for your right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. And last one. Perfect. Let's lay down on your belly. Could be forearms to just slightly lift your chest, and when you exhale, slowly relax. And again, inhale, exhale. As you probably remember, but if you started this day with us, make sure you're squeezing, clenching your buttocks muscles to support your lower back. Great position to strengthen your lower back, bring more mobility in your spine, but muscles in your buttocks area needs to be active. Maybe 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Forearms to lift your hips on your floor, and now down dog position. And let's march on the spot. Heels off the floor, legs bent. It's not about straight legs, it's about feeling good stretch in the right place. Inhale and exhale. And slowly on your floor. Right leg forward. Going to place your right arm on your right leg. Squeeze your glutes on your left side, and when you inhale, nice twist to your left. As you exhale, back to center. Inhale, feel the stretch, right side, right leg. Inhale, slowly exhale. And 1 more. Change your side. Now you've got left leg in front of you, left hand, left arm, left elbow on your leg, and now to your right side. Inhale and exhale. Make sure you're not making any movement in your hips, so that's why you need to clench your buttocks muscles on your right to keep your hips in good stability. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. And relax. Okay, now left leg to your side. You're going to lift your right arm. Again, strong glutes. Always, they need to be engaged, active to keep strong position, strong balance with your hips area. Inhale, exhale, bend to your left side. Feel nice, stretch all the way on your left. Try to relax your left side, left shoulder, left arm. Inhale, exhale with your legs super tight. You can feel the stretch on your left side as well as your right upper body. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. And relax. Okay. Now your right leg to your side. Squeezing glutes on your right and left arm. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more. And relax. Okay, back on your 4. Down dog position. You can march on the spot, or if you're feeling you've got more strength, try. Move your balance forward and exhale back to the down dog. Up to you how many repetitions you're going to do. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe few more with me. It's up to you how your upper body today, how your wrist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If you're fine, you can do 2 more with me, but it's only optional. And slowly on your 4. Forearms on the floor. With your arms further. And now inhale, rock to the front, and exhale, move back. Inhale and exhale, giving time to rest for your upper body, especially your wrist, but also stretching your shoulders and your chest. Strong core muscles. You're not dropping your belly, not tilting your pelvis forward. You're actually trying to tuck under. Great movement to improve the strength in your abs, lower back. At the same time, we're improving flexibility in your upper body and mobility in your shoulder joints. Inhale and exhale, maybe 1 more. And again, on your belly. Maybe you still find with your forearms, maybe someone is ready to lift chest higher without any discomfort in your lower back. Okay, please remember, every single pose needs to be comfortable for you. You're going to feel stretching, but no pain. Inhale and exhale. If someone is ready for up dog position right now, hands close to your rib cage, so you're lifting hips off the floor, or maybe even pressing feet to the floor to lift your knees off the ground. You can try maybe just 1 time. This is all about trying. Inhale and exhale. If you're fine, let's do 1 more. Whatever option works for you. Forearms to slowly change position on your 4 to down dog again. You can march on the spot. You can again move back and forth, so moving plank and down dog, or maybe going to try hold the down dog and lift your left leg, not too high. We'd like to keep your left foot pointing to the floor. Don't worry about the right leg, doesn't have to be straight. It's all about feeling stretch back of your right leg. You can change, lifting your right, inhale and exhale. I'm keeping my left knee bent so you don't feel any pressure. Needs to be straight, doesn't have to. Inhale and exhale, maybe 1 more. And slowly on your 4 to child pose. Shake your hands, how your wrists. You can leave the comments. I'm preparing another video. Well done. Okay, so now let's sit with your cross legs. Right leg at the front. I'm going to lift your right arm. As you bend to your left, make sure right side is down. Inhale. Exhale. Great exercise, great stretching for your lower back, for healthy spine, good mobility. Inhale and exhale. You're stretching your right, so try to relax the left side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Okay, now we need left leg at the front and left arm up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Right shoulder relaxed, elbow bent. Perfect. Both arms, inhale. Slowly exhale. Now arms to your sides, squeeze your shoulder blades. Exhale, hands together. Inhale and exhale. Now lace your fingers, palms forward. Head down, try to sit nice and upright with your head between your arms. And now lift your arms up and slowly relax your shoulders. Okay, so thank you. That's all for day 25. So we're hoping you're still doing with us and you're feeling amazing. If yes, if you like this session today, please give us thumbs up and leave in the comments how your wrist, how your arms, how your legs, how the stretch back of your legs, the long hamstrings. So really hoping you're feeling all the benefits doing yoga every day, just even for a few minutes, makes all the difference for your body and your mind as well. And also we support amazing campaign Pawsitivity Month in August. So thank you for being with us and see you tomorrow. Please, if you're watching first time, subscribe and turn on notification to never miss a single video from my channel. Bye guys.